Final thing that I want to show you is doing some cleanup here. Let me do CLS. We have Docker images. Now if I try to remove an image here, RMI, let me remove this image ID here, that is 860. If I try that, it will not work because it is being used in a container. You can see it also displays the container ID. So first we have to stop that container, docker stop 118 here, and great. Now let me do docker PSA to see all the containers. None of them are running right now, so that is great. What if we are done with all the testing here and we want to remove all the containers? In that case, we have a command in PowerShell that is useful, but make sure to do that with care because you are removing all the containers with this command. I would highly recommend you never ever do that in production. That can lead to very ugly situations. But for that, in PowerShell, we have a command docker ps-a-q. It basically gives you the ID of all the containers. So then you can combine that with docker rm, and there you can say the same command docker ps all containers, give me the ID of those containers, and you will basically pass them to the docker remove command. If I execute that, and if I do docker ps-a, there will not be any containers. Let me scroll up here. We have a spelling mistake. It will be PS. And great. We do not have any containers. That looks good. Same command we can execute to remove all the image. If I do docker images here, we will say docker images -q, and that will basically give me all the image ID. Now we want to remove them. So docker rmi, and then in the $, we can say docker images -q. Now if you try that, you will see another error message. Because an image is tagged in multiple repository, we first have to untag them. You already know how to untag them, but if you know that what we want to do is absolutely valid, then there is --force, and if you apply that, it will automatically delete all of them. Using the force here, we are basically forcing it to delete the image and ignore all the error or warning message. If I do docker images here, great, we do not have any image, neither do we have any container. We can confirm that by going to Docker desktop, container and images, both of them are empty, and that looks good.